How did one invention change the course of history? Gutenberg's printing press kick-started a revolution that forever transformed the world. Let's dive into this story. Johannes Gutenberg, a German goldsmith and inventor, changed history in the 15th century by creating the printing press with movable type. Gutenberg utilized movable type, allowing for the quick assembly of texts and their multiple reproductions. This innovative approach reduced the costs and time needed for book production. The printing press enabled the widespread dissemination of knowledge, democratizing access to information. Education and science received a new impetus for development, and the Reformation found a means to spread its ideas. Gutenberg's invention has endured through the centuries, and books remain an integral part of our culture. His legacy is not just books, but the entire structure of knowledge and communication. Gutenberg's printing press is a milestone that shaped our world. What other inventions do you think have had an equally significant impact on history? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories and amazing facts with us, don't forget to subscribe to our Facts Adventure channel.